So brakes are one of the biggest wear and tear item on a vehicle, but they're also one of the most important. You've got the brake rotor, and then you've got a pad on each side of each rotor.
If we look at these rotors, you can see this rotor here is shiny, which means it's brand new. And we look at this rotor right here, this is a used rotor, which means this customer came in complaining that my brakes are making noise.
Brakes normally are gonna start to make like a little squeal noise, or even, some people call it a scratching noise, or worst case, some people may start to feel a little bit of a jitter or a stutter. It's just metal, it's gonna wear down naturally over time.
I'm gonna look at the rotor. I'm gonna look for any kind of irregular wear on the rotor as well, like this line right here would be concerning to me.
So we want to always start with the free brake inspection so we can measure the brake pads, because we don't want anything to get too thin to where the calipers are doing the braking.
This is a new pad, and this is a used pad right here.
I'm also going to look at the thickness of the brake pads on the inside here. Check the rest of the brake linings, make sure there's no leaks. Anything that would attain to suspension brake wear that would cause the brakes to wear out prematurely or faster due to suspension parts being worn.
I'm going to check your brakes out. I'm going to mic the rotors, check the thickness, and then I'm going to check the thickness according to the specifications. I'm going to also check the thickness of your pads. And what I would do, I would take these gauges here. The red will let you know that your pads are required. The yellow will put you in more like the suggestive state, and the green will tell us that your pads are good. Basically, we're looking at 8 millimeters. So, according to what I just checked out with this gauge, your pads are good.
If you get to that squealing noise, definitely bring it in, make an appointment so we can check it for free. Firestone has a lifetime warranty on the brake pads, so we want to take care of you as much as we possibly can.